Hi, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Dr. Jake Pomperada. I've been a practicing software engineer and IT project manager for more than 10 years of experience. I've been developing software for the last 25 years of my career. I finished my bachelor's degree in computer science at the University of Negros Occidental Recoletos, and I have 2 master's degree. The first one is Master in Information Technology and Master of Arts in Education, major in Instructional Technology. I also received my doctorate degree in Technology Management last year, June 2024. So in terms of competencies, my main skill set is more on IT project management. I've been managing several IT projects for many years. Most of them are web applications using Laravel, PHP framework, PHP programming language, and I do also contracts with my clients and solving issues and SLA, software service level agreement. And I am also do some job that is being assigned to me to find clients and able to close contracts. My other skills is more on software engineering. I've been a consultant for around 15 years, resolving issues of my clients about different problems in their software development using agile methodologies. Previously, I worked in Accenture Incorporated in Metro Manila as software engineering team lead, specializing in web applications. I manage around 10 developers under me during my more than 2 years of work experience there. And then after that, I also work as IT technical book author for more than 10 years already. I have written more than 30 books, both as author and co-author, and it is now available online in Lazada and Shopee. I am very eager to share my knowledge and expertise in your company if you will give me a chance to be hired. Let me know. I can have an online interview, and furthermore I can tell more about myself and my skills that can able to contribute in your company. Thank you very much.